In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover permanently deleted emails from your Yahoo account. Whether you accidentally cleared out your inbox or deleted an important message by mistake, don't worry, there's a way to get it back. Let's dive in. First, open your preferred browser and log into your Yahoo Mail account. Enter your credentials carefully to avoid login issues. Once you are in your inbox, go to the top right corner and click the arrow next to your profile picture. From the drop down menu, select Help. This will take you to Yahoo's support center where you can find resources for common email problems. On the Help page, locate and click the Go button. This will guide you to a new section with multiple support options. Look for the one titled Recover Lost or Deleted Emails and click on it. Now, click the Send a Restore Request option. This opens a form where you will provide details about your issue. Under the Describe the Problem drop-down, select the option that best explains your situation. Next, use the When did you last see the missing messages drop-down to choose the time range. The more accurate you are, the better your chances of success. Make sure to enter your correct Yahoo ID and tick the I'm not a robot checkbox to verify your identity. Once everything is filled out, click Create Request. Yahoo will begin processing your request and you will need to wait for them to get back to you. Yahoo can only recover messages deleted in the last 7 days, so act quickly for the best chance at recovery. And there you go. Follow these steps and you will be on track to retrieving your deleted Yahoo emails. Thank you for watching this video.